In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use vertical tabs in Chrome, step by step, so you can organize your browsing in a cleaner, faster, and much more efficient way. If you're someone who keeps lots of tabs open at once, this feature can make a huge difference in how easy it is to find, switch, and manage everything you're working on. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides, just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top and type Chrome//flags. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page, where Google keeps options that are still being tested or hidden from the normal settings menu. After typing Chrome//flags, press enter on your keyboard. You'll now see a page with a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find the specific feature you want instead of scrolling through a long list of flags. Now click inside the search flags box and type vertical tabs. As you type, Chrome will filter the results and show the vertical tabs flag. This makes it much easier to locate the exact setting you need. Next, look for the drop-down menu next to the vertical tabs flag. By default, it will usually be set to default or disabled. Click that drop-down menu and select Enabled. This tells Chrome to turn the feature on. Once you've enabled the flag, look at the bottom of the page. You should see a Relaunch button. Click that button to restart Chrome and apply the change. This step is important because the new setting won't take effect until the browser restarts. After Chrome relaunches, go back to your tabs. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may now be able to switch your tab layout to a vertical view. To do that, right-click any tab or right-click the empty space on the top tab bar. In the menu that appears, select Show Tabs Vertically. And just like that, your tab should move from the top of the browser to a vertical layout on the side. This is especially helpful if you like working with lots of tabs, because it gives you more room to read the titles and makes it easier to scan through everything at a glance. If you ever want to switch back, you can usually return to the tab bar and change the layout again using the same right-click menu. So if vertical tabs end up not being your style, you're not stuck with them forever. This feature is a great productivity boost for research, schoolwork, work projects, and everyday browsing. It helps reduce clutter and can make Chrome feel much more organized, especially on wide screens. If this video helped you, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know you want more easy Chrome tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.